Hi, my name is Orfelina Martinez and I share with you my classroom project in the Integral Practicum course with the teacher Marisela Restrepo. The contents of my project is first, title, second, research question, third, general and specific objective, fourth, methodology, style of the research, five, research schedule, six, reference, and seven, evidence. Improving English skill with the use of ICT in the 8th grade student of the Immaculada Education Institute is the topic about my project. The research question is: how to improve the English skill with the use of ICT in the 8th grade, the student of the Immaculada. Okay, the general objective in this project is to explore the impact in the use of the ICT in the improving of the English skill on the 8th grade student of the Immaculada. And the specific objectives are: first, determine the relationship between the improving English skill and the use of ICT. Design a series of the interactive activity with the student using the web tool with the theme corresponding to the second trimester. Demonstrate that through the use of ICT, the 8th grade student can improve their English skill, and do interactive class with the 8th grade student to improve their attention and motivation. Okay, when I go to the Immaculada to release my practice of the observation, I know that the student didn't have motivation and interest in their class. Okay, and I begin to think how to carry out the English class for the 8th grade student to help them improve their attention and motivation. I know that the student didn't participate in the class because I felt that the girls had afraid to make a mistake when they use the speaking skills and theme. Okay, and follow theme: how to improve the speaking skill of the 8th grade student from La Immaculada Education Institute. I know that the teacher explained the class in the board, and they uses different copy, and the student really different exercise in the class or in the house. But I know the class isn't dynamic. This is used or the traditional method always. And I think how design a series of interactive activity with the student using web tools with the theme corresponding to the second trimester. Okay, join the topics of the second trimester with the used web tool for the students. And remember that the education in this day is the constructive method, all right, where the students are the protagonists in their process, okay. I think thus the use of ICT demonstrate that the 8th grade student can improve the English skill. Okay, and release my investigation about the methodology and type of research that I use is a descriptive research project. The data which column with the different method, all right, the direct with interviewed to the student and the indirect method with the questionnaires. The following activity I think to release with them. That the student made different presentations in the format of video and they practice their speaking, okay? And ask questions and answer used the topics in the second trimester, imperatives and suggestions, making cartoon in piston, and they practice the writing. Preparing material for release to the Hell Fire. The Hell is the topic in this trimester, and they practice the speaking, writing, listening, and reading skills. And the student design a web page using the content of the quarter, and they practice the writing and the listening, right? I analyze the data, college, and interviewed and questionnaire carried out throughout the project. The research schedule is first, college of bibliographic material, okay? Presentation of the first drafts to my teacher, delivery to the second version of my research project to my teacher, and the student release oral presentation of video to the student. But for the pandemic, COVID didn't release, okay, in this moment. And they release cartoon design and the health fair, web page design, and their analysis and presentation final of my research project. And I release a timeline with the research schedule with using Time Thomas with 2.2 tool, and this is the link for can you review. Many studies and demonstrate that the use of the ICT in the school is very beneficial for the student, and the teacher need to improve his class using this method, all right? I release with my student different questionnaire and survey. This is for example, it's a model to the survey of the student and the use of ICT. Okay, I think that the use of ICT can improve the skill abilities, the English skills, sorry, with my student, because they practice different exercise when they practice using different tools, free and internet, and they feel motivated with the class because the student love the internet, the student love of the technology. And if our teachers use this tool, they can improve their motivation and can improve the English skill in their class. Okay. Thank you.